I am Santa with the goddamn flow. What does rhyme with the row? I don't know. Wanna make something new or just to grow?
Hadouken!
Ho, ho, ho. It's me on the Christmas row.
Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch.
Watch me when I come eat you alive. Demon boy came in a FORTNITE to get your soul. Ha ha ha.
Fire!
Hadouken!
Fire! What? Oh! I got that guy with the fucking trap! Fire! Yeah, this guy. Oh, I shot him in the hair! Dead. Ha ha! You ain't gonna go away!
Hadouken!
You ain't gonna fucking run away from us, bitch! Get back! Fire! Whoa! Fire! No, 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 why? Really? Really? Only 8? Fire!
Picky picky pussy ass, picky picky poop 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 pussy in the ass pussy in the ass, picky picky pussy in the ass picky pussy ass mouth pussy ass mouth, pick.
That's what I do.
Fire! What?
What? What? That was the guy. Fire! I killed him. No way. Fire! Bow to the Lord. Fire! Why did you touch me? I gave you a chance to survive. Fire! Fire! Dead.
Hadouken!
One shot, one kill. Dinotti puts the guy down. Let's go. Fire!
Oh yeah, they confirmed that the chips will come, so that's something.
Bro, man, get the fuck out my face. Down here like a crazy motherfucker. Not asking me if you're allowed to do that. Get off, I said.
Hadouken!
Fire!
I have no gun, guys.
I got it. Oh! Fire!
Just the guys.
I don't know. How many bombs do you got? If you got machine gun, I got the machine gun! Fire! Yo, vaporized! Vaporized! Vaporization! Vaporization, man! Dina comes blink! You are gone! Fire! Ajde. No, I can't believe this! Fire! They're shooting at me. Fire!
Oh my god, it's sad. Bitch.
Because you went to my kupus field, jebote. Aj sadio taj kupus, man. Aj.
I'm gonna destroy your kupus now.
Leave my kupus, man, alone.
You will not have anything for
How we,
Zimus.
how we gonna eat zanjanica, man? How?
You will not kiselit kupus.
How will I drink Russell, man? What the hell?
You're gonna buy it in the store.
I wanna drink Russell. Nah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Goodbye. No! Oh my god! No fucking way, man! Dead!
Hadouken!
Payback, mamu, ti jebem payback. Payback! Ti jebem mater payback. Payback. Payback! Payback!
Hadouken!
I think I'm just like, I'm gonna give it to them so they're gonna be happy. Just to show them that I'm here, you know? And look at them, they fucking give me so much back. And I'm like, yeah, there is a karma. There is a karma. There is a karma, guys. You do good things, you get good things back. You do bad things, you get bad things back. That's how it is. So make sure to be a good guy and do good things. Because at the end, you're gonna profit in all ways.
I just did that. I just did that. I just did that. I just did that.
The best anyway.
I just did that. I did fucking hard. Oh my god. It makes me dance. It